Want to power your home more efficiently, cut down on energy bills, and prepare for the future? Whether you're looking for renewable energy, off-grid solutions, or ways to reduce energy waste, this ultimate guide has you covered. Today, we'll explore the best energy sources for your home, their pros and cons, and how to maximize efficiency. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the most common ways homes get their energy today. Grid electricity, reliable but affected by power outages and rising costs. Natural gas, used for heating, cooking, and backup power. Fossil fuels, coal and oil, still used in some areas but less sustainable. If you're on the grid, consider smart meters and time-of-use pricing to save money. Now, let's explore clean and sustainable energy options. Solar power converts sunlight into electricity. Can be stored with home batteries like Tesla Powerwall. Best for sunny locations. Wind power, small wind turbines can generate energy for rural homes. Works best in windy regions. Hydropower, if you have a stream nearby, microhydro generators can produce electricity. Great for off-grid living. Geothermal energy uses the Earth's heat for heating and cooling. Very efficient, but requires upfront installation. Solar plus battery storage is one of the best renewable energy combos for home use. What if you want to be independent from the grid or need backup power? Here are your best options. Battery storage stores energy from solar panels or grid power for use during blackouts. Generators, gas or propane generators for short-term use. Hydrogen fuel cells for a cleaner alternative. Hybrid systems combine solar, wind, and batteries for energy security. Backup power is essential if you live in an area with frequent outages or extreme weather. Even with the best energy source, reducing waste is key. Here's how. LED lighting uses 90% less energy than traditional bulbs. Smart thermostats adjust heating and cooling automatically. Energy Star appliances lower electricity bills without sacrificing performance. Home insulation and windows keep heat in during winter and out during summer. A smart home energy monitor can help you track and cut energy waste. So, which energy sources are the most cost-effective? Solar panels pay off in 5 to 10 years and provide free electricity after that. Wind power, best if you have consistent wind speeds. Natural gas, cheaper than electricity for heating and cooking. Hydropower, if available, it's one of the cheapest long-term solutions. Many governments offer tax credits and incentives for switching to renewable energy. Energy is evolving fast. Here's what's coming next. Hydrogen power. Hydrogen fuel cells may become the next big thing in home energy. AI-powered smart grids. Homes will soon automatically switch between energy sources to save money. Energy sharing communities. Neighborhoods producing their own electricity and selling excess power. If you're thinking long-term, consider a home energy system that integrates multiple sources. So, how will you power up your home? Want sustainability? Go solar or wind. Need reliability? Try hybrid systems or battery backups. Looking for affordability? Improve energy efficiency first. What energy source do you use? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more energy and technology insights. And check the description for recommended energy tools and resources.